just become the right person that actually matters. Every day I drive my car to my little job, find some peace in the station. After a while, there's a song.
Look at those flowers standing even at night. That could be you, baby, you'll be alright. Not saying it won't go down without a fight, but you won't lose, baby, you'll be alright. You won't lose, you'll be flying freely under you.
And the moods that I hate, I tend to embrace. Wonder why I'm so opposite, I'm so backwards and upside down. I'm such a clown, but I've got no frown on my little face. Why am I so freaking cute sometimes, yeah? Such drama queen, and I wish there was a song that I could make. It'll make you strong, 'cause I'm tired of feeling low and sad and depressed. I gotta move on. La, 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 la.
Don't think. Please. He's just a man, Lorelai. No, he's not. Oh, so what are you telling me? That this was all worth it because he was the love of your life, that this was the man for you.